It's been over 2 years since DJI introduced the Mini 2. So news about the DJI Mini 5 Pro is incredibly exciting for those who want high-quality aerial footage without the hassle of dealing with a heavy, complicated machine. And unlike the last generation, this leak cycle has given us a lot of information about what to expect. So let's dive into all the details we know so far about this future release. So let's start with the most important update, the new camera system. Leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will have a big upgrade in its camera. According to reports, it will be a 1-inch 50-megapixel CMOS sensor with an f1.8 aperture. It's a substantial improvement compared to the Mini 2's 1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor will enable better low-light performance, richer detail, and a shallower depth of field for more pleasing background blur. What's particularly exciting is that the Mini 5 Pro's camera is said to match the one on the brand-new DJI Action 3. The Action 3 is designed for action-packed adventures and features a 4K HDR video recording capability at 120 frames per second. Its camera has impressed reviewers with its quality, so its inclusion in the Mini 5 Pro promises high-quality aerial footage. Speaking of video, the Mini 5 Pro is also rumored to be capable of recording in 4K HDR at 60 frames per second. This would deliver smooth, lifelike footage with excellent dynamic range, bringing out details in both bright and dark areas of the frame. If these rumors hold true, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine what's possible in a small drone, allowing creators to capture cinematic results without the need for a bigger, more expensive drone. But it's not just about capturing great images. Safety is paramount in drone flying, and here too DJI seems to be stepping up the game. The Mini 5 Pro is said to come equipped with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, meaning it will have sensors on the front, back, sides, top, and bottom to detect obstacles. Additionally, there are leaks suggesting a forward-facing LiDAR sensor. This would help the drone navigate even in low light or near darkness. While the Mini 2 has obstacle avoidance on the front and rear, the addition of side and top sensors along with LiDAR would make it much safer to fly in complex environments like between trees or around buildings. Such enhancements would provide peace of mind for both new and experienced pilots, allowing them to focus on capturing the perfect shot without being overly concerned about collisions. Another area where the Mini 5 Pro is expected to shine is flight time. With more robust battery power, it should offer around 36 minutes on the standard battery and even longer with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. The Mavic Mini 2, in comparison, offers up to 30 minutes of flight time. More airtime means more opportunities to capture the perfect shot without having to recharge the batteries frequently. To control the drone, DJI is likely to introduce a new controller, the RC Pro. This controller will boast a 5.7-inch screen and ergonomically designed handles, potentially providing better control and a more comfortable flying experience. While the release date is still uncertain, hopefully the wait won't be too long. As for the price, it's expected to be similar to the Mini 2, which retailed for $449. Of course, the final specifications and features may differ from the leaked ones, so take this information with a grain of salt. However, if these rumors do turn out to be true, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a major upgrade from its predecessor. Offering improved camera quality, obstacle avoidance, longer flight times, and better connectivity, the Mini 5 Pro could be the go-to choice for those looking to capture stunning aerial footage without the complexity of a higher-end drone. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Mini 5 Pro is worth keeping an eye on. As more information becomes available, I'll keep you posted. So stay tuned for updates. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Thanks for watching and happy flying.